Hey guys, welcome to TCKC, and today we're going to be doing craft things to do with yarn when you're on quarantine.
I hope you all aren't too bored during this quarantine, but we are going to be showing you some things that you can do so that you won't be bored. Pipey?
Now we're going to do pom-poms.
And today we're going to create pom-poms.
Yes, today we are going to be making pom-poms.
This is what it's supposed to look like when it's done.
This is the finished product. So I'm going to do an orange one. Pipey, pick out your color.
I'm going to do this one.
Okay. So you take your pom-pom, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around your two fingers. Once you have your fingers wrapped in the yarn, what you're going to do, is you're going to cut it.
You can use a different color if you want.
Or you could use a different color. And then you're going to cut another strip of yarn to tie around it. So you're going to tie it while it's still on your finger. Maybe your parents can help you with it. Yeah, cut it off from the ball of yarn.
Keep your
Does
fingers
this work on it? Okay, I'll help you in a little bit. And then you just tie it, that way it won't come apart when you actually make the pom-pom.
Pull your fingers out.
I think my fingers are turning purple.
Okay, 1 second.
You don't want to do it too tight because then it's hard to get your fingers out.
Okay. Yes, you want to do it loosely.
So you're going to string it through
Now
Now you're going to cut
and then
another
tie
strip.
a tight knot. And then Naya will help you do the rest.
Is it too tight? You have to string it through.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not going to go through.
I think I did it too tight.
Can I have a pair of scissors?
Yes, ma'am.
I might be able to get it off, Savannah.
Yeah.
Gracie, hold on.
I can't really do anything.
Trim off those extra long pieces, and then you're gonna open it, right?
My
Yes.
fingers are turning purple.
That's because it's too tight.
Here, Yaya, will help you.
Okay. And look, Pipey. Now Pipey has an itty bitty pom-pom.
I did not do
It does look like a
You
pom-pom.
did it great. Okay, here, we can use these.
Itty bitty
So
pom-pom.
cut a piece, cut cut that off, and cut
Yeah,
this
you
one off.
do need a lot of stuff.
There we go, and then use one to string through here.
One of these?
Yeah.
A long one or
It doesn't matter.
It's the same as what?
Just so we can get it through there.
It looks the same as the other one, yeah, because you did it so good.
And then you gotta tie it. Do you know how to tie it in a knot, Gracie?
no.
So you cross, loop under, and pull,
Well, yeah,
And
it
cross,
looks the same, just
loop
different
under.
shape.
and pull.
Oh!
Maybe not pull as hard as I did.
Okay,
And then
Mama.
you're gonna trim.
You trim it now. So
How?
you trim it to where you make it the same shape all the way around.
Mine looks like a ball. It doesn't look like a pom-pom
You're supposed
at
to
all.
cut it.
You have to cut the loops, Gracie.
Like this?
Savannah, can you hand me a pair of scissors out of that
I
blue bucket
can.
for Piper?
Here's some pipey scissors.
I
Okay,
don't
Piper,
think
hold
my
on. Let me
scissors
get your
are
loops
sharp
out.
to cut the
Okay, now look.
loops.
You're
Those
just gonna
scissors are
take
not
it
sharp.
and you're just gonna trim it
Here.
so it's not so long, okay?
I can get the camera.
No,
You can
cannot.
try it. Oops, but I don't want you to cut too much off because then your pom-pom will not be there anymore.
I can cut this one.
Well, don't cut that one. Mom, we already made that one.
What is this?
That's your pom-pom.
It's not a pom-pom.
Yes, it
Yeah,
is.
hold it
Once you
there.
trim it to size and then like,
All the way in.
My scissors aren't sharp enough.
These ones don't want to cut good, do they? Or you just
I
don't
need
have
those scissors.
quite
Switch.
the strong enough
let
little
me see if this will work on mine.
grippy to do it.
I think mine.
It's okay. Let's move all this out of the way.
Okay.
How do I make it?
And then once you have
Fluff it
a
up.
suitable shape, then you have a pom-pom. And you can do tons of stuff with pom-poms, or you can just keep them like they are because they're really cute.
Am I doing this right?
So I think Is this good, Mom? Yeah, you just fluff it up because it's gonna be like in the same shape.
Look at Pipey's.
Oh, babies, yours is so cute.
Mine's
Yours is so cute.
Savannah, yours needs to be a lot shorter in order for it to look fluffy.
Short.
I don't know if I'm doing this right.
These scissors
No.
not very good. So we finished our pom-poms, and I would say they're really cute. You have to tie them really tight, and you kind of have to cut them short in order for them to be poofy. But if you make more of these, you can do all types of crafts with them. So, Gracie, what is the next thing that we're going to be doing?
A wrapped letter.
A wrapped letter.
Color pom-pom is mine is
Blue.
blue and the white, and the Gracie's is white and the purple, and
Brown.
Savannah's is orange.
Yes, all of ours are different colors. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is wrapped letters. And for this, you're going to need cardboard,
Cardboard.
a Sharpie, some sort of X-Acto or hobby knife, and then yarn. Okay, and you also need a parent to help you because little kids should not be using X-Acto or hobby knives. So,
The only reason she has that is because she bought a pencil kit.
yes, it came in my art kit. No, baby. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the cardboard and you're going to draw a letter. We're going to do S, G, and P.
Yeah. Paper,
No.
paper.
Oh, we're recording. So we cut out our letters and we hot glued some our yarn to it, and you want to make sure the yarn is connected to your base still. But if you don't have hot glue, you can use maybe Elmer's glue might work, or what's
Just
it
wrap
called?
it around
Like
it.
super glue or
Tape.
Gorilla Glue, tape. Or like if you just wrap it around several times like this, then maybe it might stay on. But hot glue usually works. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it all the way around our letters and make sure that there are no holes, because then you don't want the ugly cardboard showing through. And then you'll have a really cool decorative letter to put in your room. So we finished our letters.
Finish.
We have a G, S, and a P. And now Gracie is going to do some embellishments and accessories to her G. Okay, and now we have our finished. I left mine the same, but they added some beads or flowers to theirs, and I think these are really cute, and we're gonna hang them up on our walls. So I think we have time for one more craft. So what is the last craft, Gracie?
Yarned wand or staff.
Yarned wands or staff. So
This
what
is
you
the one I'm
need
gonna
for these is sticks that you can go get from your yard, or you could use like old pencils. You want to pick out a stick?
Pencils.
You're gonna need yarn,
Stick.
obviously,
Pencils
and
or
hot glue.
stick.
So
Pencils or stick.
basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna hot glue a little bit and then just wrap it around. Basically what we did with this, but instead you get a wand or a staff.
Okay, so we're finished with the wands, and we put like strings at the end to make it look like magic is coming out.
So in total, we made pom-poms.
Pom-poms.
Peggy, do you have a pom-pom?
No.
We have a pom-pom. We made wrapped letters. And we made wands. So I hope you all like these super easy and quick, simple.
Also known as unicorn hem.
Yes. Super quick and easy and simple yarn crafts, and that you guys can have fun with these, and that you guys never stop learning. Like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.
Bye, Luda.